In this demonstration, we're going to look at managing permissions using the built-in role groups within Exchange Server 2013. So what I've done here is I've come onto my domain controller, and what I need to do here is come into Active Directory users and computers. Right, so we're in Active Directory users and computers. So what we'll do here is we'll just come down to our Microsoft Exchange security groups, and what we have here is we have a number of groups that were created as part of the installation of Exchange Server 2013. So we'll just pull this across a little bit. And all we'll do here is we'll just pull this across a little bit as well. So we've got compliance management. So for example, this role group will allow a specified user responsible for compliance to properly configure and manage compliance. We've got the delegated setup. So as we can see here, members of this management group have the permissions to install and uninstall Exchange on provisioned servers, and so on down the list. Now what we're going to do here is we're just going to come down to recipient management, and what I want to do here is I want to give the ability of one of my users the ability to actually come in here and create, manage and remove Exchange users. So what we'll do is come into Recipient Management, come to the Members tab, and then what we'll do here is we'll select Add. And the user we want to add is a user called Tony. So we'll just type in Tony here, we'll just check the names, and what we'll do is we'll add in Tony Smith, and we'll select OK. So we've now added Tony to this group. So the next thing to do here is just verify that these permissions do actually work. So in order to do this, what we'll do is we'll just move to our client access server and launch Exchange Admin Center. Right, so what we're going to do here is we're just going to log in as a user called Tony. Right, so we're going to log in as Tony. So logging this in, this is the first time we're logged in as Tony, so it's just going to build up his personalized settings. And now what we'll do is we'll just launch Internet Explorer and go into the Exchange Admin Center. Right, so we are going to log in as Tony into the Exchange Admin Center, so we'll just sign in. And as we can see, it's loading now. And anybody that's familiar with the Exchange Admin Center, one of the things you may notice straight away is I don't have the any of the admin permissions here for Tony to actually administer any of the system settings themselves. Well, anyway, we'll just allow this to load up here. So what we'll do now is we'll just click on the Servers tab just to prove that we don't have any of the admin options, which we don't. Nothing along the top here. All we can see is the server roles. If we just go to the Recipients tab now, what we'll do here is we'll just go for Adam. And what we'll do is we'll just double click on Adam. That's one of the things we can see here. As a recipient administrator, we do have the ability to come in here and have a look at all the recipient settings that we have for Tony. So we can see straight away here he's not using any storage. If we have a look at his contact information, we have the ability to put things in his contact information. So let's just stick in here his work phone number, for example. And let's also change his city. Let's change him to Newcastle. And just save that off. Now not only do we have the permissions through the Exchange Admin Center, we also get the permissions as well through the Exchange Management Shell. So we'll just move over to the Exchange Management Shell. So what we'll do now is we'll just have a look at some information about the Exchange server. So what we'll do here is we'll just do a get-exchange server, and then we'll format the list. So this proves we have read access to the Exchange server. And now what we'll do is we'll just prove that we do have recipient access. What we'll do is we'll actually set user Adam, and we'll set his title to manager. So if we just come back to the Exchange Admin Center, if we then just go to Adam, and if we just have a look at his information within here, and what we'll have a look at here is just his organization tab here. So he definitely doesn't have a title in place. Back to the Exchange Management Shell. So what we'll do here is set -user Adam -title manager, hit return here. And now what we'll do is we'll just go back to the Exchange Admin Center. And what we'll do, we'll just cancel this. And all we'll do here is we'll just come back into Adam, have a look at organization, and there you go, title manager. So that's proof that that's worked. So we'll just cancel out of that. And that's the end of this demonstration at looking at managing permissions with the built-in role assignments. Thank you.